Alright, hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly dispose of your Lipo battery. Now, there's different ways to do this. You can either take it to your hobby store. I'm sure that they have some kind of something to get rid of your Lipos. But there's multiple ways to skin the cat. And so there's multiple ways to dispose of your Lipo. So I'm just going to show you guys one simple, easy way that I found. Shout outs to Dennis Balwin, I believe is what his last name is. It'll be here on the screen. And basically, I'm just going to show you guys what he did. So the goal is to get your battery down to 0 volts. This guy is already discharged. If you can't tell that it has puffed. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it has puffed on me. And this has been after like, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, maybe 5 years of use. I don't owe this battery anything, so. Yeah, okay, so what you want to do is you want to get this battery down to 0 volts, and to do that you should slowly discharge it. I have rigged up this little contraption here. So this is just an automotive light bulb with some leads on it. I'm gonna plug this in, and as you can see the light is on. We're just gonna plug it in and let it discharge until the light goes out. So you also want to put it in something fire resistant / proof. I have this Lipo sack. So I'm gonna put this contraption in here, maybe with the lead sticking out, but so we'll just keep it like that. There we go, little light sticking out there, and we'll wait until this is turned off, basically. Okay, so as you can see, the light is now off. It's been about 2 hours or so. We're gonna see what's going on here. You can see that we're it cracked open a little bit more, but that's to be expected. All right, so the light's off, and I will unsolder plus and negative from this light bulb, and then solder solder these two together. All right, so I have really quickly soldered the ends of these two plus and minus together. A little bit of a spark, but not a whole lot. So let's do that. It's funny. This is definitely not something you want to do with a charged Lipo battery. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. Not a few minutes, I don't know, about half an hour, I would say. The wires are cool, the battery's cool. So I think we're all done. Now that this is fully discharged, there's no more electricity left in this. It is perfectly safe just to take this and put it into the trash. Lipo batteries fully discharged are landfill safe. Yeah, that's basically what you can do. All right. I hope you guys liked this video. We're able to learn something, know what to do with your Lipos when they finally kick the can. if you want the boring way, if you want the exciting way, jab it with a knife or a shovel, and you'll get a nice little show. Another thing is that as you're doing this, the battery might leak some fumes. Don't breathe in those fumes because they will agitate your throat. So just keep that in mind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you're able to learn something, and I'll see you guys next week or at the track. And you might be wondering, why don't I voltage test this? Because I don't have a nifty little tester to stick in there to test the voltage. But with these wires being soldered together and the significant puffing that's happening, I don't think there's anything left in this battery. So, into the trash it goes.